Welcome guys, today I am with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation and I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of this device. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm connected with my iPhone. Everything is fine. But if you want to perform the reset, all you have to do, just remember to charge your AirPods and the case at least to the 30%. Next, you have to rotate the case like that. Take a look. On the back we can find the button and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking red. So just take a look on the indicator and keep holding the back button on your charging case. You have to hold it all the time because when you release it will be stop. As you can see right now it is blinking red, so we have to keep holding until it starts blinking on the white. Right now we can release the button and take a look. As you can see right now, we got the new pairing request. This connection disappears. When I try to click on it, I will get the new connection basically. And even that's unsuccessful connection. So in this case, we have to just get rid of that. Yeah, just forget the device. Right now, when we power off and power on the Bluetooth, we'll get our new device on the list. And after a few moments, we'll be successfully connected. There it is. So as you can see, that's how we can perform the hard reset of your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Just simply use this back button on the charging case. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.